Very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about pronouns. Okay, so we have already started with this topic, pronouns. Could you tell me what our pronouns are? Come on, tell me. What are pronouns? Words. Come on, tell me. Words which are used in place of a noun. Okay, so we have learned about the noun and also we have learned about the gender. So what is a noun? Come on, tell me, what is a noun? Noun is a names of person, places, animals and things. Yes, very good, very good, very good. So what is a pronoun then? Pronoun? Words. Pronouns are words which are used in place of a noun. Okay? In place of a noun. Okay? Instead of repeating adna, always. So instead of a noun, what do we use? We make use of a pronoun. As Adna is a girl, which pronoun do we use? She. We use a pronoun she. So pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Have you all of you understood? Yes, all of you? Have you all understood? Yes? Yes. So pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Instead of repeating Adna, Adna is a good girl. Adna studies in grade 1. Adna studies comes from. So instead of repeating her name again and again, we make use of the pronoun she. As Adna is a girl. Have you all of you understood? Yes. So let's move on to the topic. Are you all ready? No, you have to take a workbook. Okay, please do take your workbook. Come on, take. So we are on the topic pronoun. So page number is 23. Okay, page number 23. All of you, please do take your workbook. Let me see you taking. Yes, we are on the topic pronouns and worksheet. It is 7. Come on, take worksheet. Yes, worksheet 7 and page number is 23. 2-3. Come on, take. Have you all? Yes. 23. Yes. So what is a pronoun? Come on, listen. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Clear to all of you? Which is used in place of a noun. That is called as a pronoun. Okay. Now. Yes. Okay. So. All of you, please look at this example. My uncle is very nice. Here we are talking about my uncle here. Uncle is a masculine gender. So which pronoun do we use here? Which pronoun do we use? Yes. He goes to the office. Okay, he goes to the office. Okay, now he is punctual. So we had made use of the pronoun he, as uncle as a masculine gender. Clear? Yes? Okay. Now, let's move on to the next one. You could see the picture of your mother. Okay, so my mother is very sweet. So mother is a feminine gender. So which pronoun do we use there? Yes, she. Very good. She cooks tasty food. She loves me. Okay, page number is 23. Okay, have you all understood? Now let's move on to the next slide. We don't want I. Okay, that we will be learning in the next class. Only what is there in your workbook. Let's learn that. Now let's move on to the pronoun it. It is used for an animal or a thing. So when we are talking about an animal, okay, an animal means one. Okay, now we are learning only about singular. So if you're talking about a boy, we have to use a pronoun he. If you're talking about a girl, we have to use a pronoun she. And if it is an animal, which pronoun do we have to use? Come on, tell me. Some of you are not listening. It. Yes, yes, it. So if you're talking about an animal or a thing, which pronoun we have to use? Which pronoun? It. Have you understood? If you're talking about an animal or a thing, we have to make use of the pronoun it. Clear to all of you? Clear? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we have finished with this exercise. Have we finished with this exercise? Yes. All of you? Everyone? Have you all finished? Page number 23 is over. Page number 24 is over. 24 is over. So we know where to use. For an animal, for an elephant, which pronoun do we use? It. Yes, very good. It. For a doctor as a masculine gender, which pronoun do we use? He. Very good. For a girl, which pronoun do we use? She. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. Okay, this is not for you. Page number is, all of you please do take page number 25. All of you please do take page number 25. So this is not this page number, this page. That is page number 25. So here we are going to learn about.
Going to come. Okay, ma'am. His, her, it.
Yes. We are going to learn about the pronouns, that is his, her, or its. Okay. It tells us, we know about three pronouns. We already know about the three pronouns. Now we are going to learn about the other three pronouns, which tells us who is the owner of something. Now here are three pronouns, his, her, and its are the pronouns which tells us who is the owner of something. Now, someone show me anything to me. Hold something. Let me see you all holding something. Yes, Aldrin. Now it belongs to Aldrin. Who is this? All will say it is his. Okay. If it belongs to a boy, we say the pen. Okay. It is his pen. Is that clear? It is his pen. Clear? Yes, one girl. Yes, Harriet. Now what do we say? It is her water bottle. Have you all understood? It is her water bottle. If it belongs to an animal, then what do we say? What do we say? It is its. If it belongs to an animal, we use the, yes, we use the pronoun its. Okay, someone else, show me something. Let me see you. Yes, it is. So he is showing a scale. So we say that it is dash. Okay, so we say it is his scale. Okay, or ruler. It is his scale or ruler. Okay, someone else, come on, hold something. Yes, Ishan, come on, hold something, Ishan. Yes, it is his box. Okay, so we are going to learn about the other pronouns that tell us who is the owner of something. Now, Ishan, come on, show me the box. Now, who is the owner of this box? Ishan is the owner of this box. Okay, Ishan is the owner of this box. So it is his box. Okay, have you understood? So in today's class, we are going to learn about the three more pronouns which tells us who is the owner of something. Who is the owner of something? Owner means, you know, it belongs to whom? Come on, Niveda, show me a box. Yes. Now this box belongs to Niveda. Who's the owner of this box is Niveda. So what do we say? If she's the owner of the box, we say that it is her box. Okay? It belongs to her. Come on, Adna. Yes. Now, who's the owner of that eraser? Adna is the owner of that eraser. So we use the pronoun her. It is her eraser. Okay, come on, show me many things. Your water bottle is over. Yes, Mohammed Aiden. Yes, Mohammed Aiden. So who's the owner of that pouch now? Mohammed Aiden is the owner of that pouch. So it belongs to Idol. So we say that it is his pouch. Okay. Yes, it is his pouch. Okay, Aldrin, I've called you once. I wanted some other children to show me something. Yes, now I say it is. Yes, Tirtha, pencil box. So who's the owner of that pencil box? Tirtha is the owner of that pencil box. Okay, so when we say it is her pencil box, whose pencil box is that? Her pencil box. It belongs to Tirtha. Okay, so as Tirtha is a girl, we have to use the pronoun her. Yes. Okay, have all of you understood how to use it? Okay, okay, now listen, all of you. Listen. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the exercise. Thank you, my dear children. Okay, now we know that. Now we are going to learn about the pronouns that which tells us who is the owner of something. Now you could see the picture here. Whose ball is this? Come on, tell me whose is that ball is? It is belongs to a girl. So what we have to say there? It is her ball. Yes. Okay, come on, write all of you. Her ball. Okay. Now here you can see that pot. It belongs to that fish. So what we have to say there? It belongs to it. Yes. It is we have to say there. It's pot. Okay. Yes. Come on, write Muhammad Aidan. Are you not writing? What about the rest? Yes, it's okay. All of you mute your audios, mute it, all of you, and please do write it. I could see only your head, some of your videos. I have to see whether you're writing.
Yes, right.
Yes. Arnav is writing. I could see that Arnav is writing. All the others, are you not writing?
Ma'am, Sunil is writing.
Okay, but I could not see your video. Ishan is writing. Niveda is writing. Some of your videos are switched off. Some of your videos are not clear. Only I could see only a part of your head. That's all. Okay, very good. Now, whose book is this? Come on, tell me, whose book is this? It is her book. Okay, it is a girl. So we have to say it is her book. Come on. Yes, write it. It is her book. Okay, it is her book. Okay.
She for girl.
What is that? Next one. Wait. We will do it. Wait.
But we have she for a girl.
What is that? She, when we are talking about the girl, we could use she. But now we are talking about her book. So what can we use she book? Can we write there she book? No. Then what we have to write there? In place of she. We know that we are talking about a girl. But now we are not talking about the girl. We are talking about who is the owner of that book. Who is the owner of that book? Come on, tell me. Your question is very great. Yes, her book. Now we are not anymore talking about this girl. We are talking about the book. It belongs to whom? It belongs to this girl. So how do we say it? Her book. Very good. Okay, have you all understood? Clear? Okay, now we are not talking about the person. We are talking about the thing that belongs to them. Clear? Are you all listening? Yes, listen 1 minute, my dear children. Your question is very sweet. See here, 3 pronouns we have learned. The 3 pronouns, that is he, she, and it, tells us about the person. Now we are talking about the things, okay, that is owned by someone. Okay, so we are talking about the pronouns that tells us what? That tells us who is the owner of something. Okay, so we are talking about the things that are owned by them. So here, this ball is owned by the girl. So we have to use it. We are not talking about this girl. We are talking about this ball. Who owns that? It is owned by this girl. So we have to say there, her ball. Now this pot is owned by Fish. Fish is the owner. So we have to say it is its pot. Okay. Here, the girl is writing. So it is her book. Okay. So she is the owner of the book. So when she becomes the owner, we have to say there, it is her book. Clear to all of you? Yes. Now we are not talking about the girl. We are talking about the things or who is the owner of something. Have you all understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Darshak, come on, tell me the answer for the fourth one.
His bike.
Yes, his bike. Very good. His bike. His bike. His bike.
Finish.
Yes. Now, it's here we have to write there, it's birthday cake. No one is the owner there. So we'll just write there, it is its birthday cake. Okay. Now, just write there, it's birthday cake. It is its.
Ma'am, I have 6 completed.
Okay. Now, come on, tell me a dog. I'll call you one person. Yes, Essa, come on, tell me. Essa. Essa, Essa.
It's
Yes, it is owned by an animal. It's owned by the dog. So we have to say the bone is owned by the dog. So whose bone is that? It is dog's bone. So it is its bone. Okay. It is the dog's bone. Yes. Come on, write fast. Finished off. Complete.
I write completed.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, okay. If you have completed, let's move on to the next exercise. Similar one. Okay.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, okay.
I completed. Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, can you mute?
Yes, I'll do it. So let's move on to the next exercise. Have you all finished? Now let's move on to the next page. All of you, please do take the next page. All of you, my dear children. Yes. Okay. So let me unmute you all. Okay. Now let's move on to the next person, Rasha. Henna, come on, Henna.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the first question.
Dash.
No, read the first question. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. You can see the picture there. There is one exercise there. Take that exercise.
This
Mm.
is
This is
Mr. Nair.
Yes, this is Mr. Nair. Okay.
This is
So here, this is Mr. Nair. Dash is a man. So which pronoun we have to use there? Yes, very good. He is a man. Yes. Now here in the second sentence, we are talking about the person. So when we talk about the person, we have to use a pronoun he, she, or it. When we are talking about the things that belong to them, then we have to use the pronoun his, her, and its. Okay, remember this. If you're talking about the person, then we have to use the pronoun he, she, or it. If we are talking about the things that belongs to them, then we have to use the pronoun her, his, its. Okay. Now, here in the second sentence, we are talking about the person. So we have to use the pronoun he. In the third sentence, come on, read the sentence, Hannah.
This is.
We are talking about the things that belong to him.
This
So
is
we are, yes, this is whose scooter? Whose scooter?
scooter.
Yes, very good. This is his, sorry, this is, I have to write it here. This is his scooter. Come on, write.
Scooter.
His scooter. Yes, write it.
H-I-S.
Yes, H-I-S. It is his. Very good.
I have completed, ma'am. I have completed.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on to the next person.
I have completed.
Is Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Aaron.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Aaron, come on. Do the second question. Come on, Aaron. Yes, come on, read the question. What is this? This is Mrs. MRS is Mrs. Nair. Okay, we are talking about this lady. Okay, this is Mrs. Nair. Okay, then.
She.
Here, yes, come on.
May go to toilet, ma'am.
Yes, that's up to you. Yes.
She.
Mm. Yes, we are talking about the lady. If you're talking about the person, which pronoun do we have to use there? Dash is a lady. Here we are talking about this lady. So which pronoun? She is a lady. Is that clear? Here we are talking about the lady. So we have to use the pronoun she. Okay, come on, read the next sentence.
It.
This is, come on, read the full sentence only, then you will understand.
This is.
Mm.
This is.
This is, here in the second sentence, my dear children, we are talking about the lady. Okay, so we are talking about the lady. So we have to, we are talking about the lady, so we have to use the pronoun she. Okay, so this is dash cat. So here we are talking about the cat. So which pronoun we have to use there?
Her.
Her, yes, this is her cat. Have you understood? When we are talking about that person alone, or the thing alone, or the animal alone, then we have to use he, she, or it. If you're talking about their belongings, it belongs to them, then we have to use the pronoun according to the person, that is her, his, or its. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Dash Krishna, come on, do the third question.
Yes,
Dash, yes, come on.
Dash
Mm.
is an animal.
Yes, dash is, you read the first sentence, this is an elephant. Only then we know what are we talking about. Yes, this is an elephant. Then,
Dash is the animal.
okay, so we are talking about the animal. So which pronoun we have to use there?
It.
It, very good. It is an animal. Okay, now.
This is football.
Okay. So whose football is that? It belongs to the elephant. So which pronoun we have to use there?
It's.
It's. Very good. It's. Okay, it is its. Come on, right? So you have to know, children, if you're talking about the person, we have to use he, she, or it. If you're talking about the belongings or the things that it belongs to them, then we have to use his scooter, her car, its football. Okay? Please do understand that. Okay. Thank
I
you.
have completed, ma'am.
Okay, okay. If you have completed, let's move on to the next exercise. One more exercise is there. Is there time? Is there? Let us see. The time is up 2:20. It is already 17. It's time for us to wind up. Let's do one more sentence, okay? And then we'll wind up. And we'll be continuing in the next class, okay? We'll be continuing in the next class.
I have completed. I have completed.
Okay, then let's move on. I'll move on to Arnav. We'll do one sentence before we wind up. This sentence. Come on, Arnav, come on. Read the sentence, Arnav.
Ma'am, Hurricane.
Wait. Let Arnav do it. Come on, Arnav, read the sentence. Rahul goes to
Play cricket.
Cricket. Play cricket. Okay. So Rahul goes to play cricket. We have understood the sentence. Now come on, read the next sentence.
That is a good cricket.
Cricketer. Who is a good cricketer here? Rahul is a good cricketer. So we are talking about the person. So which pronoun we have to use here? He. Very good. We are talking about the person. So if you're talking about the person, then we have to use the pronoun he. Okay, now read the next sentence.
This is dash.
Bat. So here we are talking about Rahul's bat. So which pronoun we have to use here? Which pronoun we have to use here?
HIS.
Yes, what is that?
HIS.
Yes, HIS. It is his. Okay, here we are talking about the thing that is owned by Rahul. So this is his bat. Can you do the other sentence? Yes. Yes, it's time for us to wind up. It's 19. So, okay, children. So try to do the rest of the sentence as homework. Okay. So in the next class, we will be continuing with the same exercise. Okay, children. So it's time for us to wind up. Okay, bye-bye, all of you. Thank you. Have a happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Happy Christmas.
Okay, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. Happy Christmas. Okay. Merry Christmas to all. Bye.
Bye.